good morning. Today we will be discussing questions. Everyone has questions every day. Sometimes we ask questions and sometimes we need to answer questions. What are some questions that you had today? Did you ask your parents what was for breakfast? Did you not know where your socks were and you asked someone where they were? Did you find out it was cold and ask someone to help you find your mittens? Did you ask what was for lunch? What other questions did you have today? What is a question? Questions are items that we ask to get information about something or someone. We usually ask these questions to find out important things. This is why we ask a lot of questions in class. We can ask questions about these pictures to find out what we want to know. What kind of questions can we ask about the girl reading the book? Is it a good book? Does she like to read? What book is she reading? If we look at the other picture, what kind of questions can we ask? Is the boy at a Twins game? Is he getting ready to play the game? Or is he just practicing? Questions usually answer the questions of the 5 W's. For this picture, we can ask, who is in the picture? What are the kids doing? Where did they perform this play? When did they perform? Last year? This summer? Why are these kids dressed up in costumes? Let's read these questions together. Who is having milk for snack? Notice that this question starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. Sally, are you going to the dentist? When is recess? Remember that this question too starts with a capital letter and ends with a question mark. What is for lunch? Where is the library? What did we need to make sure was capitalized in this sentence? Correct. You must capitalize the first word. Why do we have to sit in our desks? Does the principal live here? What did we need to put at the end to let us know that this is a question? Correct, a question mark. Is Jim outside today? Remember that when we write questions, we must always start with capital letters and end with question marks. Let's try it together. We need to correct this sentence to make it a question. Who is having milk for snack? We need to capitalize the W, who, and put a question mark at the end after snack. Sally, are you going to the dentist? Sally must be capitalized because it starts the question and a question mark is put after dentist. Let's try some more. When is recess? How do we fix it? We capitalize the letter W in when and we put a question mark at the end. The next one says, what is for lunch? How should we fix this? Correct. We capitalize the W in what and put a question mark at the end. Where is the library? How do we fix this one? Great job. Why do we have to sit in our desks? How does this one get fixed? Wonderful. Let's try 2 more. Does the principal live here? How do we fix this? Fabulous. Is the gym outside today? Amazing. Now that we have learned about questions, we will be able to write them properly with capital letters at the beginning and question marks at the end. Now you can have a chance to use this information to finish your question worksheet. You can use what we have learned about writing questions to complete it. Don't forget to put your name on it, and remember, all questions have a capital letter at the beginning and a question mark at the end.